हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे विल डिस्कस अबाउट न्यू टॉपिक जिसका नाम है किनशिप। अकॉर्डिंग टू Encyclopedia Britannica, in its web page has defined kinship as the socially recognized relationship between people in a culture who are held to be biologically related or who are given the status of relatives by marriage, adoption, or other rituals. If we talk about consanguineal kingship, it is based on blood relations. Kingship based on relations by marriage is called affinal kingship. If we talk about descent, descent refers to a person's affiliation and association with his or her kinsman. If we talk about unilineal descent, is a descent group where lineage is traced either through the father's or mother's side. Herein, only one parent's descent is taken into account based on the type of society, whether it is matriarchy or whether patriarchy. Patrilineal descent is a kingship system based on patriarchy, inheritance, authority, status, and property traced through males only. If we talk about matrilineal descent, is a kinship system based on matriarchy. In this, inheritance, status, authority, and property is traced through females only. If we talk about double descent, is a kinship system in which descent is traced through both paternal and maternal side. In such a descent system, for certain aspect, descent is traced through the mother, while for other aspect, descent is traced through the father. If we talk about ambilineal descent, is a form of descent wherein a person can choose the kin group to affiliate with which he wants to affiliate with, either his father's kin group or his mother's. If we talk about bilateral descent, is a kinship system wherein a person gives equal emphasis to both his mother's and father's kin. If we talk about parallel descent, each individual of the family traces descent but from the line of their own sex. Now we discuss about forms of descent group. Lineage. Lineage is the smallest unilineal descent group. Members are descendant of a common ancestor. If we talk about clan, clan consists of members who trace their origin to a common ancestor which can be a living or non-living being without knowing the genealogical link to that ancestor. It is also defined as unilateral exogamous group. If we talk about fratry, a kin group comprising of several clans based on brotherhood mostly through common descent. If we talk about moiety, a moiety is the lateral division of the society into two halves. A moiety consists of many phratries and it is bigger unit than a phratry. All moieties have phratries in it, but a phratry need not be a moiety. If we talk about kindred, kindred are defined from an individual perspective, grouping of related individuals focused on an individual's immediate family and close relatives.